welcome to Principles and Practice of Procurement. Unit 3, Identifying Need and Creating Specifications. Section 1, Identifying Procurement Needs. In this section, we'll look at the essence of identifying procurement needs and how to review needs from customers. By the end of this section, we should be able to review needs from customers. Reviewing needs from customers. As procurement professionals, in order to go through the procurement process in obtaining the requirements we need to make a product for the customers, we need to conduct a purchasing research or marketing research. And as part of the marketing research, we review needs from customers. We can't just wake up and then buy anything or make anything for our customers. We need to review the needs of these customers, right? And in reviewing needs from our customers, the four major items that have been brought into harmony are: 1. The design considerations of a function. In designing a product for our customers, we need to make sure the design will be functional and capable of fulfilling their intended purpose. This means we can't just wake up and do anything. We as designers should focus on creating designs that are practical, effective, and able to meet the needs of the customers. Secondly, we have the marketing considerations of consumer acceptance and satisfaction. And we know the marketing considerations include the marketing mix, right? The products, the price, the place, and the promotion. In this case, we're supposed to ensure our customers like what we are doing, they can afford the price we are charging, the promotional strategies being used by the organization, as well as the place. We do all those to make sure our customers are satisfied, and we should know that satisfied customers are the loyal customers in our organization, and they often provide repeat businesses as well as referrals. Hence, understanding your customers is very important, and which is a key thing to look at in reviewing needs from customers. Thirdly, manufacturing considerations of economic production. A product must make economic sense. The prices we are charging for the product must be attractive to our customers, and it must also return a sustainable profit to the organization. We know our target market, we know their spend capacity, we know how much they can afford to spend on a particular product. We need to incorporate all that in our decision-making process, in our manufacturing design, to make sure we don't go overboard, right? So manufacturing considerations of economic productions. Then finally, procurement considerations of markets, materials availability, supply capability, and cost. So from these four items that we discussed in reviewing needs from our customers, we realize that the procurement department is in good position to make some contribution. One of such contribution is the supply market awareness. Now, one contribution the procurement department makes to the organization is that they are aware of their supply market. They are aware of whatever is happening in and around the markets of their requirements. They know the availability of standard or generic items. They know the availability of capable suppliers, the possibility of alternative suppliers and solutions. They are also aware of the market prices, the current market prices, and they are aware of supply market risk factors and all other availability issues in the market. Supplier contact is the second contribution procurement department makes. Now, because the procurement department works closely or they work directly with these suppliers, they know the suppliers to contact in case of anything. They also have the contact of the suppliers. They know where to get a particular supplier at any point in time. So now, in case where a supplier is needed to discuss potential solutions in advance of specifications or to introduce pre-qualified suppliers to the design team, which may in turn improve on technical specifications, the procurement department knows the suppliers to contact, and they also have the contacts of these suppliers. Third contribution procurement department has to the organization is the awareness of commercial aspects of purchases. The procurement department is aware of all the requirements and materials we need in producing a particular output. They know the supply market surrounding each particular item and then how important each requirement is to the production process, right? They are aware of which items are scarce, which items are not, which items will be needed and when, which items we need to keep stock of, which items we don't need to waste resources keeping stock of, and all other commercial aspects of purchases. So if, for instance, if there is a need to include requirements for just in time, that's the low inventory supply or supplier stock holding, the procurement departments are aware of such requirements and then they do just that. The spare parts availability, the warranty periods, and user training in the specification document they've been sent. They are aware of all these aspects of commercial aspects of purchases. The fourth contribution is the awareness of legal aspects of purchases. That is, the need to comply with national and international standards and regulations on health and safety, environmental protection in the public sector, the procurement methods. By way of summary, we have explained how to identify procurement needs by reviewing needs from customers. We have also looked at significant roles the purchasers play in contribution to identify procurement needs of customers. Thank you.